Mozambique braces itself for Cyclone Freddy that quickly moved over Madagascar back into the Mozambique Channel and is expected to strengthen into a strong tropical storm before slamming the southern coast of Mozambique with strong winds as well as heavy rainfall just south of Beira on Friday morning. And then throughout your Friday, the cyclone will move over the rugged land of Mozambique, weakening into a tropical depression. But what's left of Freddy, this low pressure system, will actually remain quasi-stationary this coming weekend over the bordering areas of South Africa, Zimbabwe and Mozambique, and due to it being fed moisture from the tropics as well as the Indian Ocean, this could lead to catastrophic flooding, especially from Saturday into Sunday as well as Monday over the northeastern areas of South Africa. Currently, the South African Weather Service is picking up rainfall amounts between 200 and 400 millimeters likely over those vulnerable areas, especially over the Vhembe and Mupani districts, and this includes the northern areas of the Kruger National Park. Please be prepared, everyone, and take precautionary measurements, but we will continue to track Freddy as it nears Mozambique. But now let's look at your Thursday forecast in South Africa. On Thursday morning, foggy patches expected over the southern coastline, parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as in Mpumalanga. We can see the cyclone nearing the coast of Mozambique, but for South Africa, we're only expecting some light rain and drizzle, mainly in the morning along the eastern escarpment as well as parts of the Lowveld. In the western parts, it's hot and sunny on Thursday and extremely hot in parts of the West Coast districts as well as the Swartland, with temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 30s. A sunny day for Mossel Bay and George, comfortable with temperatures in the mid-20s, becoming very hot and dry in Beaufort West as well as Graaff-Reinet. The Weather Service warning against runaway fires in those areas. And in the Eastern Cape, a northeasterly wind blowing fresh at first along the coast, gusting just offshore. Lots of sunshine expected throughout the day, also heating up quickly with 29 degrees in East London. And it's going to be a humid day in KwaZulu-Natal after a foggy start to your Thursday, especially over the northern areas, later clearing up and becoming hot at 28 degrees in Pietermaritzburg. Cloudy at first with foggy patches in parts of Mpumalanga, drizzle possible the morning along the escarpment, and then later warming up to 28 degrees in Mbombela. Also cloudy at first with morning drizzle over the escarpment and the Lowveld of Limpopo, and then temperatures in the upper 20s expected the afternoon and above 30 degrees over the central and western areas. Another mainly sunny and dry day ahead for northwest, with maximum temperatures now also reaching 30 degrees over most parts of the province. In the Northern Cape, the northern areas are still baking under heatwave conditions. It's day 2 of a heatwave for Upington as well as the Kalahari, soaring to 40 degrees the afternoon. It's going to be extremely uncomfortable and hot. In the Free State, lots of sunshine, 31 degrees in Bloemfontein and mid-20s over the eastern areas. It's a sunny and dry Thursday for Gauteng, 28 in Johannesburg, 30 expected in Pretoria. And now if we look ahead into Friday, that cyclone making landfall over the southern coast of Mozambique, but we are expecting some light rain along the southern coastline, otherwise mainly sunny across the country. It's only into Saturday the low pressure system, or what's left of a tropical cyclone Freddy, will move over the northern bordering areas of South Africa and already start bucketing down heavy rainfall over those areas overnight into Sunday. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.